Hi there, this is Jenny Walker from DigiGoods and Printables ELA. Welcome to my thesis statement video workshop tutorial. If you have found this video on YouTube, you can find a link to the workshop in the description. Let's talk about a thesis statement. A thesis statement is the single most important sentence in the entire essay because this statement tells your reader exactly what your essay will be about, what you are claiming to be true, and how you plan to argue your claim. According to dictionary.com, a thesis statement is a short statement, usually one sentence, that summarizes the main point or claim of an essay, research paper, etc., and is developed, supported, and explained in the text by means of examples and evidence. Well, this might sound difficult. It's actually very easy. A thesis statement consists of three elements: a topic that you plan to write about, a claim that you plan to prove, and a few reasons that explain why you believe that your claim is true. In this workshop, we are going to discuss a two-pronged thesis statement, which has two reasons, and a three-pronged thesis statement, which has three reasons. Both types of thesis statements have one claim, one topic, but the only difference is that a two-pronged thesis statement will argue 2 points of reason, and the three-pronged thesis statement will argue 3 points. First of all, notice that both examples are color-coded. The topic is blue, the claim is green, the first reason is yellow, the second reason is pink, and in the three-pronged thesis statement, the third reason is orange. Let's read. It is illegal to have more than 30 students in one classroom because it decreases teacher time, It should be illegal to have more than 3 students in one classroom because it decreases teacher time with each student and it creates a disruptive environment. Notice that this two-pronged thesis statement has 2 reasons why it should be illegal to have more than 30 kids in a classroom. And here's a three-pronged thesis statement. The same content, just one more reason has been added. It should be illegal to have more than 30 students in one classroom because it decreases teacher time with each student, creates a disruptive environment, and can be physically unsafe. Let's break this down a little bit further. The topic in blue is students in one classroom, and the claim is that it should be illegal to have more than 30. And the first reason in both thesis statements is that it decreases teacher time with each student. And the second reason in both thesis statements is that it creates a disruptive environment. And then the third reason in the three-pronged thesis statement is that it can be physically unsafe. Now, if this workshop were to take you further and you were to write the rest of this essay, these would be the topics of your body paragraphs. But for now, we're just learning how to write a thesis statement. Let's scroll down and you can try it out for yourself. Create your own thesis statement. First, you will choose a controversial topic. Controversial means that it's something people could argue about. You have to choose a topic that 2 people could reasonably argue about and find evidence to support. It wouldn't be controversial to say that illegal drugs are bad, because nobody would claim that that's not true. It has to be something that you can find reasonable evidence for both sides. You may already have a topic in mind, but if you do not already have a topic, for the sake of quick practice, you can click the link to procon.org. This website will show you a long list of topics, and from there you can click on a topic that you find interesting, and you can even find your reasons here. This should make your job Very easy. Go ahead and pause this video to find your topics and your reasons. Now that you've gathered all of your information, you can click into the boxes to add your topic, claim, and your reasons. You will need to follow the instruction of your teacher for how many reasons you'll need. If you are instructed to do a two-pronged thesis statement, you will only need 2 reasons. And if you're doing a 3-pronged thesis statement, you'll need to find 3 reasons. Important. You will want your essay to be convincing, so use the strongest reasons you can find. And then finally, after you've gathered all of your elements and put them together, you will put them together in a complete sentence in this last box. And you can arrange these elements in any order that makes sense. Sometimes people start with the topic and add the claim and the reasons, just like in the examples here. But sometimes people will rearrange that and they will maybe give the reasons first. However, it makes sense and whatever works with your style. And that, my friends, is all there is to writing a thesis statement. Again, if you're finding this video on YouTube, you can find a link to the workshop in the description. And if you like this workshop, check out the full argumentative essay workshop as well. And that's it. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to work with you again soon.